friends coming on Saturday. Okay, Marley, what type of animal is this one?
Moo, moo, moo.
It's a moo cow. Where are you going to put the moo cow?
Moo.
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 Oh, I like that sound. Oh, it is a sound. And what type of animal is this one here? A horse. And what sound does a horse make?
Not me.
Hey, I like that sound.
Sheep.
Oh, the horse is going to have some food and then go to sleep, is it? And what type of animal is this one, Marley?
Pig.
Pig. What noise does a pig make?
Oink, oink.
Oink. I like that sound too. That's really cool. Hey, Marley.
Yep.
What's this one?
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's a rooster. So the sound that the rooster makes is
Sheep.
cock-a-doodle-doo. Where are you going to put the rooster?
Sheep. Sheep.
The dog is asleep. Where are you going to put this rooster? Oh no, there goes the horse.
Daddy,
I'll get it for you. Where are you going to put the rooster?
daddy.
Oh, Marley's getting it.
Daddy, yours. It's your
Daddy horse, is it? And what's this one?
Daddy. Woof, woof.
That's a dog. And what does the dog say? It says woof, woof, woof. Good. Where are you going to put your dog? Here's your dog. And what about this one, Marley? What sound does this one make? What is it?
Ooh, ooh.
It's an owl. An owl, good job. And it makes the sound hoot, hoot.
Yes, it's
Good job. Where are you going to put your owl?
sheep. Sheep.
Who's asleep?
That sheep.